viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you how to apply for a new fund offer or NFO from RankMF website. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it from the below screen and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Applying for an NFO is a very easy process. It contains of the 3 simple steps. First, you have to open your web browser and type www.rankmf.com on the address bar and hit enter. Once you have landed on our home page, move your cursor to the top panel and click on the login button. Enter your Samco client ID and Samco star password. If you don't have a Samco ID, please click on the register button and open your Samco account within 15 minutes. After your successful login, you will be directed to your account homepage. Move your cursor on the top panel and click on NFO. Here, you can see the lists of live and upcoming NFOs from different asset management companies. Click on any NFO and know their fund details like category, scheme type, plan name, opening date, closing date, and minimum investment amount. You can invest in live NFOs in SIP or lump sum mode. Once you select the live NFO to invest, click on the Invest or SIP button as per the available investment options. A pop-up window will appear. Enter numeric value in the purchase amount section and select the mode of payment via Samco Ledger account or net banking. Tick on the terms and conditions and click on the Verify via OTP button. A new pop-up will open and a 4-digit OTP number will be shared on your registered mobile number. Add the OTP and click on Confirm and place order. You will be redirected to the net banking page of your bank where you have to log in with your net banking user ID and password and then confirm the payment. Once the payment is completed successfully, congratulations, you have invested in the new fund offer and you will be redirected to your RankMF orders history page where you can see your recent order for that particular scheme. Thank you for watching this video.